What's up guys, Kit Dale here. I'm with Mike from Jiu-Jitsu Magazine. I'm going to show you an overhead sweep from this new gripping position I've been working. Okay, start in the position. Okay, I got my foot on the hip, the other foot here, and I've locked this. Now what he's going to do is he's going to stand up because he wants to break this grip. But what he has to do when he stands up, if his legs are far back, he's not going to have the strength, okay, to be able to pull out. He has to bring his legs forward like a deadlift. Okay, if he brings his legs nice and forward and I just sit here, he's going to be able to break this out and he'll pull it right out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of the fact he's got to come close to me. So I let him come close with his feet, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my left arm and my right arm forward, and I'm going to bring his weight forward, and I'm going to kick him right over the top of me here. Let him roll, use the momentum to come up, and from here I can do a lot of things, okay? Alright guys, now I'm going to show you in real time. Start in the position, stands up. Okay guys, so I've just finished sweeping him and I've landed in this position, still with this grip. Now I can finish from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my right foot over the top right next to his leg, blocking his shoulder from coming up. Then all I do is I lean forward, I sit back to here, release the other leg, and I'm basically just going to start putting my right shoulder towards the ground, and I lock this nice and tight. There we go, create an angle on that shoulder. If you wanted to continue, you could bring your left foot over the top and really do some damage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more techniques like this, please subscribe to my website at kitdalebjj.com. Thanks for watching.